Hey guys, welcome to Trading the Charts. My name is Rex, and today we've got some conflicting news from Tesla. It was reported Friday night that Tesla was looking to increase production to meet its high demand. However, in a report yesterday, Tesla stated they will shut down production on Model S and X for 18 days. Let's take a closer look and see what exactly is going on. So if they're having problems with high demand, you're probably wondering, why are they shutting down production of Model S and X? It's important to note here that Tesla's Model S and X are in very low demand in comparison to its more affordable models 3 and Y. Last quarter, Models S and X only accounted for about 11% of Tesla's deliveries. So in my opinion, it's safe to speculate that Tesla is shutting down production on its lower demand vehicles and increasing production on its higher demand vehicles. Another possible reasoning for the shutdown is that Tesla is preparing for a Model S and X refresh for the 2021 models. The shutdown on Model S and X production lines will begin on December 24th and end on January 11th. Employees working on those lines were offered a full week of pay to cover one of the 2.5 weeks of the shutdown, along with a few paid holidays. They were asked to take 5 unplanned and unpaid days off, but have the option to try to find work in other areas of the factory during those days. They were also encouraged to volunteer to help make electric vehicle deliveries to customers during the shutdown. Now, how will Tesla stock react on Monday? Tesla shorts will try to tell you that this will negatively impact Tesla's goal of delivering 500,000 cars this year. However, as I mentioned earlier, it makes more sense that Tesla is reducing production on its lower demand vehicles only to focus on increasing production on its higher demand vehicles, the Model 3 and Y. Also, with news this weekend of the vaccine approval and rumors of a potential stimulus deal coming soon, in my opinion, this is all great news to boost the market this week. And as you know, the market could be irrational or already have this news priced in and the markets can tumble. But if I had to place a bet on which way the markets will go, I'd bet bullish. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.